block, past the sleeping curve. Your open sign is calling me, like it knows my name. Through the glass, the bright rose glow, milk and candy bars. A silver car squeaks in my head, even from the door. Condensation on the glass draws a secret line. My hand stays there for one more second, then I step inside. Step by step, I get closer, closer, closer. Step by step, I get closer. The night feels softer here. Bright eyes, I can breathe in here. Step by step, I get closer, closer. Cold air hits my jacket sleeve when the handle turns. A humming freezer by the wall and a checkout bell. I watch the sugar bags all shine under white clean rolls. My reflection in the glass looks a little slow. Condensation on the glass fades beneath my thumb. Every little thing outside feels far from me now. Step by step, I get closer. Step by step, I get closer. The night feels softer here. Bright eyes, I can breathe in here. Step by step, I get closer, closer. One empty street behind me, one bright door ahead. I leave the call on the handle and let the dark stay there. Step by step, I get closer, closer, closer. Step by step, I get closer. The night feels softer here. Bright eyes, I can breathe in here. Step by step, I get closer, closer. I stood by the glass under that white sign. Your words came back like coins in my pocket. The screen kept glowing, blank and patient, and I kept turning old scenes over again. You said it plain, I heard it wrong. Now the silence says it all. ATM glow, ATM glow. 2 bars gone, then the weight comes back. ATM glow, ATM glow. I keep circling what we never said. kept hitting the light again and again, like it knew something. I watched it climb, then fall, then climb. That tiny loop was making sense. Your voice on repeat in my tired head, like a cracked screen that won't go dark. You said it plain, I heard it wrong. Now the silence says it all. ATM glow, ATM glow. 2 bars gone, then the weight comes back. ATM glow, ATM glow. I keep circling what we never said. For a second I let it go, hands in my pocket, eyes on the floor. Then the bright white pool took me back again. Same old question, same old door. ATM glow, ATM glow. 2 bars gone, then the weight comes back. ATM glow, ATM glow. I keep circling what we never said. ATM glow, ATM glow. That moth, that sign, and your voice in my chest.
The sky goes lighter, just a shade of blue. I keep my hands still, so it won't turn new. On the water's face, small circles move slow, like something breathing under all I know. And I stay here at the edge of night, watching the dark learn to hold the light. Soft blue, stay with me now. Soft blue, beat like a valve. Soft blue, your old porch rail has a rain-cool shine. The pond keeps folding, one slow line to line. A moth hangs low by the screen door seam. unquieted glow. Soft blue, stay with me now. Soft blue, beat like a vow. Soft blue, soft blue.
Cold sand under me, I fold my hands and wait. Deep blue holds my face and never gives it back. Fog moves like a friend, quiet past my knees. I watch the line disappear, one slow breath at a time. The water keeps its secrets under a blanket of gray. Carry me far, carry me soft, over the edge where the day falls off. Carry me far, carry me home. I'll sit with the blue till the dark feels warm. My shoes at the shore, full of salt and thyme. Small shells in my palm, cold as a new moon. Nothing calls me in, nothing asks me why. I watch the line disappear, one slow breath at a time. The water keeps its secrets under a blanket of gray. Carry me far, carry me soft, over the edge where the day falls off. Carry me far, carry me home. I'll sit with the blue till the dark feels warm. If the horizon is gone, I'm still here. If the whole world fades, I'm still here. With the damp earth and the deep blue, and the hush between waves going through. Carry me fog, carry me soft, over the edge where the day falls off. Carry me far, carry me home. I'll sit with the blue till the dark feels warm. Then the dark comes back to me. as my thoughts spinning low and gone. And the night keeps folding in a soft, slow motion. One more breath, then it drifts away. Time, 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 you slip right by. Time, 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 like slow headlights. I stay right where I fell. Time, 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 you know me well. If I blink, it's winter. If I look, it's gone. The store glass holds my shadow till the dark turns on. Time, 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 you slip right by. Time, 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 like slow headlights. I stay right where I fell. Time, 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 you know me well. I held it in my palm, cold, round and small, down by the black pond under the pine trees. The fog sat low like a sheet on glass. I let my hand fall and watched it go. One soft plunk, then the hush, the circle spread, then slipped away. Little pebble fall, little pebble fall. I can feel it fade in the thick gray air. Little pebble fall, little pebble fall. The water keeps the secret, and the fog takes care.
The rings went white, then lost their names. Past the reeds and mud, past the broken moon. I stayed right there with my wet sleeve cuff, listening for a sound that never came back.
One soft plunk, then the hush, the circle spread, then slipped away. Little pebble fall, little pebble fall. I can feel it fade in the thick gray air. Little pebble fall, little pebble fall. The water keeps the secret, and the fog takes care. If I called your name, would it answer then, or sink like stone in the hidden deep? I leave it there where the dark goes soft, where the rings forget how to be seen. disappear.
I pull it tight at the collar, salt on my hands, salt in my head. The road falls off near the black water, and I stand where the rocks split the air. The tide slips back slow and heavy, leaving shells like open eyes. I hear the gulls go thin and distant over mud that shines like wire. Hold me to the shore, hold me to the shore. The wind keeps naming my bones. I answer with more. Salt cold, stay on me. Salt cold, stay on me. I need your weight tonight. I need your weight tonight. Salt cold, stay on me. Salt cold, stay on me. Till the water turns around. Till the water turns around. My boots sink soft in the shale line, each step a bruise in the dark. The cold cuts clean through the fabric and leaves a blueprint on my heart. The sea pulls out through the low bay like it forgot my name. I watch the moon on the wet stones, and I do the same. Hold me to the shore, hold me to the shore. The wind keeps naming my bones. I answer with more. Salt cold, stay on me. Salt cold, stay on me. I need your weight tonight. I need your weight tonight. Salt cold, stay on me. Salt cold, stay on me. Till the water turns around. Till the water turns around. If I slip, let the dark know me. If I shake, let it pass. I was never made for the open, only for the steady grasping. Salt cold,